I am a speech language pathologist in a elementary school, and this year I had a particularly challenging kindergarten student, and I wasn't quite sure that traditional articulation therapy was going to be the right thing for her. So I did some professional development and I heard about Speech Blubs, and I've been using it ever since. It's really easy to navigate, so I right away went to the first words and early sounds portions of it. When you click on them, you can choose a different category or sound, and up pops a kiddo making a sound, and then my student is able to imitate both the mouth placement and the sound. And I think it's nice that they get to watch a student their own age instead of always having to practice with me. I let a fifth grader actually navigate the app, and then I can sit back and do the data, see what's working, what I need to coach her through, what we need to change. But it's easy enough for my fifth grader to navigate that I feel comfortable doing that. There are little rewards built all through, like stickers and filters to take pictures with, and sometimes little videos with facts that she's really motivated by. I highly recommend it to any SLP or parent. It's so easy to navigate, and the kids love it, and it's easy to make great progress. I've recommended it to my entire department, so I really encourage you to check it out.